making a video of how to replace the thermistor for a Samsung dishwasher. This is the dishwasher model number, DW80N3030US, Samsung. I know the problem is the thermistor because when I push the power button, the lights that remain on flashing are the normal and heavy lights. The manual confirms that the problem is the thermistor. First thing to do is unplug it. I already did some pre-staging. I removed all the drawers from the dishwasher. I then also removed the 2 screws anchoring the dishwasher in place. The 2 screws are located right here. And on the other side, the other one is located right here. They have rubber pieces. They have these rubber pieces in there. So they might be a little hard to find. So you just have to pull that rubber piece out, then you'll have to remove the screws. After removing the screws anchoring the dishwasher into the wall, you need to pull the dishwasher out. Make sure the water is turned off to the dishwasher as well. There's a water line, a drain line, and a power cable all going in the back. Make sure those come through smoothly, that you don't pull them out of place. After pulling the dishwasher out, you access the thermistor on this particular model from the bottom. So you have to turn the dishwasher on its side. Before turning the dishwasher on its side, I turned the water off and I soaked up any water in the drain and filter. So we'll turn the dishwasher on its side now. Do it carefully. Have rags readily available in case you need to clean up any messes. I'm going to get a little closer to the bottom panel. There are a few key things that you need to pay attention to. I moved the cable out of the way, the power cable. There's 4 clips. There's a clip here. Here. These are on the side, so it looks like the top and bottom when it's flipped on its side. And there are 2 more clips here and here. There's 2 slots in the back holding this in place. Before those are removed, you have to come around to the very front of the dishwasher, and this screw in the front right here needs to be removed. So we'll do that next. After that screw is removed, we need to loosen the clips on each side, which looks like the top and bottom. As you loosen them, you also have to kind of remove these slots holding in place in the back. It slides out just like that. Okay, be careful. There is a cable attached right there. So you can either set this to the side or you can remove that cable. I'm going to set it to the side. As we come in here, you can look real close. This thermistor is closer over here. So this is the thermistor right here. So there's 2 screws, a white cable, and it connects right here. I had already disconnected it. So it connects to this blue cable right here. Mine, it looks like, if you get in there real close, it looks like something was chewed through. It's hard to see and get that focus on there. Looks like something chewed through it. I don't know if it was a mouse or what, but I can definitely tell that's the problem. The two lights in the front flashing, the manual says it's the thermistor, and the cable on the thermistor looks damaged. So we're gonna remove these two screws. It's already disconnected from the blue cable here. I'll have to undo this zip tie and put a new one on. Install the new one. This is the new one I got from Amazon. You see the part number there. DD81-02152A. I'm uploading this video to Amazon. All right, so let's get the old one removed. Two screws out. And there's a rubber piece kind of sealing it in place. I can tell the new one already has a rubber piece on it. Get a piece of wire cutters because this is too tight to come out. Make sure you don't cut any other wires, just the zip tie. Remember where that zip tie was placed. There's only one way that this one can go in. There's a little slot on the front there. Plugs in just like that. Clips, or it clicks. And this piece goes in here. Add the two screws in. Y'all can see how uncoordinated I am. Not too tight to where it strips them, but tight enough to where it's snug and it'll seal it and hold it in place. I didn't go out and buy new zip ties. I just already had some. So they're a little bigger than what the zip tie was that came with it, but that's what I have, so that's what I'm using. Hold these all in place. Make sure none of them are pulling too tight. It's still a little loose. It just holds them in place. Clip off the excess. And I'm showing the other cable so you can see kind of the damage that was done to it. See how it's frayed? Looks like, I don't know, a mouse or something got in there and chewed it. All right, I backed this up a little bit. So now putting the bottom panel on, being careful that this cable in here, you know, pull it on and that it's still connected. There's two tabs here that go in, three tabs here that go in the slots. One here, here, and here. Slide those in first. Make sure there's no cables kinked. And those, you can hear the clicks. And then the screw goes in the front. holds it in place.